No fail dog care tips and tricks. Is the range of dog food available at your store not to your satisfaction? A lot of people think that commercial dog food is not rich enough in nutrients for the typical dog. Many of these people take matters into their own hands. With the guidance provided below, you'll be better equipped to be a responsible and happy dog owner. If your young dog is teething and gnawing at everything, buy him a fun chew toy and keep it in the fridge. Not only does this provide him with a good alternative to your furniture, but the cold will help to make his gums feel better. Most younger dogs gnaw out of necessity, not poor manners. You should only try to teach your dog one new command during each training session. Even if you think your dog is good at picking up on things and will have no issues with that, it is much less confusing for you and him if you focus on just one thing at a time. Giving your dog a bath is essential to his health. Depending on his size and activity level, toss him in the tub weekly or monthly and always use a shampoo that is made for dogs and is pH balanced. Pets have different pH levels than humans, and a good dog shampoo will leave your canine clean with a beautiful shiny coat. Keep your dog's teeth in tip-top condition. Just like humans, a dog can suffer from toothache, gum disease and even tooth loss. Regular brushing will ensure that his teeth and gums stay healthy and strong. Without regular brushing, it is estimated that dental disease will affect up to 80% of dogs by the age of 3. As well as dental cleaning by a vet, make sure that you brush your dog's teeth regularly. Find out what is going on that is causing your dog to act out. If you ignore an unwanted behavior, it is as good as reinforcing it. It will become very difficult to correct the more time passes. You need to make sure your dog is happy to keep them in control and so he does not hurt anyone. As you can see, caring for a dog is a big responsibility. There are a number of choices aside from what's stocked on store shelves. Just use the information here to help you find the best program of care for your dog. A professional dog trainer reveals 21 brain games that will skyrocket your dog's intelligence, obedience, and overall behavior. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. You can also discover the secret to making your dog's problem behaviors disappear. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. Or, do you want to learn how to teach your dog to play the piano? How amazing would that be? Please visit wickedsmartdog.com to learn this and more. Link in the description.